Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into US Bank Investing Tools detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the US Bank website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. In the login fields, enter your US Bank ID. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. After you've filled in your credentials, click the Sign In button below the password box. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you experience any issues logging in, look for the Forgot ID or Password link. Click this link to initiate a recovery process for your ID or password. Follow the prompts provided on the screen to regain access to your account. Once logged in, explore the various investing tools available on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features for a better experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.